Hello everyone, my name is Himnish Bulan Barua. I am from class 7 of school PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Khanapara. So today I am going to show you a homemade telescope which I have made. So I have made it using this type of PVC pipes which are used in bathroom piping. So the telescope works like this, that it has a main tube where it has the main lens, objective lens, and a smaller tube which contains the eyepiece. So to focus the eyepiece, I need to slide the smaller tube in the main tube. So we have to take the main tube which diameter is bigger than the eyepiece tube. So these are some eyepiece tubes. And this is the size of the main tube. I have made it like this. You can see now it is the main tube, it is the eyepiece tube. It will slide very smoothly inside the tube, which will help in focusing. So it is also a thing which I have made using this type of pipe only. I just used a chart paper to cover it. Now here is a important part. To hold the eyepiece, I have used bottle caps here. So it works like this. When this is a bottle, in this bottle, when we place the cap like this, I have used the cap part and this upper part of the bottle and place this lower part on the eyepiece tube and the upper part on the eyepiece. So when I use the eyepiece, we roll the bottle cap like this. Here I have an eyepiece. We roll the bottle cap like this. So this prevents the eyepiece from falling and it also helps in precise focusing. So when we roll the bottle cap, it goes upwards and downwards, which help in focusing precisely. So now I have the main tube here. So it is also the PVC pipe. I just use black spray paint to make it beautiful and look real. So things that I have bought are this cap which prevents dust from entering the lens. Here inside it is a lens here. You cannot see because of lights. These are eyepieces. I have two. Here are they. You can see both eyepieces have different focal lengths, which changes the zoom of the telescope. So to place the telescope firmly, I have used a tripod and cut a piece of PVC pipe here, so I could just press it and lock it here. It will not fall. You can see. So let's make the telescope. First, I have to assemble the eyepiece types here. So I have used two types of eyepiece holders. This is a type which uses a mirror like this. You can see when the light rays comes and falls in the objective lens, it contracts and it forms one point in the focal point of the lens. So this mirror comes between the focal length and diverts the light rays into 90 degrees, which helps to view things that are high in the sky like the moon. So if the moon, we cannot see it like this, no, it helps us to see it like this. So here is the thing that shows us the real image. The image we can see by this eyepiece holder will be inverted because the light rays, when contracts, they invert and fall from the eyepiece, which gives us an inverted image. So the image here is more clear than this image because it uses a mirror, and it doesn't use any mirror. It shows us the real image. So let's assemble. To show you, I will use this eyepiece holder. Now first we have to take the telescope and put in the eyepiece holder like this. You can see how smoothly it rolls. Then I will show you. Wait, just a little bit of alignment. Now, when it is ready, I have used a nut here to screw the eyepiece holder tightly like this. You can see. Now, next, I will take one eyepiece and just screw it here like a bottle cap. It is nice. Now, we have to take the, you can see it is an optional thing. I have made it for, to find things that are far in the sky like stars. When we zoom in with this, we cannot see the stars because when a little bit of vibration comes, it shakes a lot due to its zoom. So here is a less zoom. You can see binoculars which is placed here. It is optional. It is used to find the thing we are looking in the sky. Here are two bands which work as a sniper scope. It helps us to target the thing we need to look. We have just used the same type of PVC here. Now it's looking good. The next step is now we have to look at anything and then adjust the focus so that the thing looks clear like this. And after using this, I have this type of containers to prevent dust from falling on the lenses like this. This is the final look of my telescope. And when I want to see something in the sky, I can take this telescope, put the tripod like this and see like this. I have to take out these both caps before seeing because this prevents dust and also light from coming in the lenses. So, this is the look, and if we don't know where the stars and the planets are, we can use an app called Star Tracker to know what is the location of and the direction of the star or the planet we want to see. So, I have taken many pictures of moon using this telescope, which I am going to show you now. Now, these are the images. It is the image of a full moon, process 1. It is the raw image of the same moon. It is the moon when there is cloudy night. It is one zoomed crater of the moon. These are half moons. The next pictures are half moons only. You can see beautiful images with high details. It is another image of a full moon, full moon, full moon, again full moon and full moon. These are some clips. It is the video of a moon which is taken from my 50 mm aperture telescope. The telescope is in 28x zoom, which is not even the full zoom of my telescope. You can see what a good quality. You can notice if you see that the moon is slowly going down. It is because our telescope is fixed at one position and the earth is rotating, which is causing the moon to go down. You can see it is slowly moving out of our vision, and it can be seen using telescopes and only. This is a 50 mm aperture telescope. That's why the moon is going down so quickly. If the aperture of my lens is more than 50 mm, you can see a little bit slowly because our vision will get larger. Now you can see it is going down. Almost a half of the moon has gone down. Now slowly and slowly it will be disappeared from our vision. This is my telescope and I have made it in a very cost effective way. So the cost of my telescope is range below 1000 because the price these two things only have their price. The other things, the tube, this and this are waste materials. So the lens cost and the eyepieces cost. The other things are waste. So I have made it below 1000 and it is giving me very nice results. I have made this telescope to watch astronomical things in the night sky because it doesn't help us to see terrestrial things, because it makes our mind dizzy when we see terrestrial things, because it gives us inverted image. Even if we use this mirror, it only gives the vertical erection. It doesn't give the horizontal erection. So if we see a thing like this, my hand is showing like this. If I see it through a telescope, it will see like this. And it is used for far looking things, and in terrestrial surroundings we cannot see it so much far. So to get best results, I am using it to see astronomical things. Thank you.